But do they?
And that there is the end of the queue. We're the second to last train of the day.
Oh man. I already feel like I'm gonna not enjoy the rattle on this.
The stave church here in Norwegian style is lovely. Gotta respect that. I love the fact that this park has got everything running for 10 minutes because they mean it. You can see Rulantica from here and Kronosar, just over there.
Oh yeah.
Okay, let's have a good coaster. Woo! Is my favourite coaster I've ridden today.
Sorry, I said some swear words there.
That is amazing.
Oh, someone that was screaming that time.
That's the best Woody.
That's better than Rookie Man, that's better than Voltron.
That's better than Voltron.
No, second.
I think it is better than Voltron.
Second. I'm thinking.
That is an amazing Woody. We'll talk